Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on DIY clocks. In the realm of interior design, every detail matters when it comes to creating a cohesive and personalized space. One often overlooked yet impactful element is the humble clock. While its primary function is to keep time, a DIY clock can be so much more than that. It is an opportunity to infuse your home with your unique style, creativity, and a touch of craftsmanship. In this article, we delve into the world of DIY clocks for your home, exploring the ideas that cater to various tastes and interior themes. Number 1. Statement piece with reclaimed wood. Embrace the charm of rustic elegance by crafting a statement clock using reclaimed wood. Hunt for discarded wooden boards, pallets, or even old furniture pieces. Cut the wood into your desired shape and size, and then sand and stain it to reveal the rich texture and history of the material. Attach a clock mechanism and hands that complement the wood's aesthetic. This DIY clock not only serves as a functional timekeeper, but also stands as a captivating art piece that adds warmth and character to any room. Number 2. Industrial fusion with gears and metal. Capture the essence of industrial design by incorporating gears, metal accents, and mechanical elements into your DIY clock. Salvage old clock mechanisms or metal parts from various sources and arrange them in a visually appealing manner on a metal or wooden base. The fusion of rugged textures and metallic finishes results in a unique and eye-catching clock that's sure to become a conversation starter. Number 3. Vintage vinyl record revival. Embrace nostalgia and pay homage to the past by repurposing vintage vinyl records into distinctive wall clocks. Choose records with captivating album covers that resonate with your taste. Cut the record into a circular shape using a template and attach clock hands and a mechanism at the center. The result is one-of-a-kind clock that adds a touch of retro charm to your home while celebrating the art of music. Number 4. Whimsical DIY photo collage clock. Infuse your living space with personal memories and add a dash of whimsy by creating a photo collage clock. Print and trim your favorite photos, arranging them around the clock face in a mosaic-like fashion. The result is a visually stunning and emotionally resonant piece that allows you to relive cherished moments while keeping track of time. Number 5. Nature-inspired elegance. Channel the beauty of the outdoors into your home with a nature-inspired DIY clock. Collect elements like leaves, branches, or even delicate pebbles. Arrange them artistically on a wooden backdrop from a clock face that exudes organic elegance. This clock not only serves as a timekeeping tool, but also brings the soothing essence of nature indoors. Number 6. Minimalist zen with geometric shapes. For those who appreciate the clean lines and simplicity, a minimalist geometric clock could be the perfect fit. Create a clock face using a simple geometric shape, such as a circle, triangle, or a hexagon. Choose a monochromatic color scheme or a subtle gradient to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. This DIY clock idea seamlessly integrates with modern and contemporary interiors, adding a touch of zen-like tranquility to your space. In the realm of home decor, a DIY clock becomes a canvas for your imagination, allowing you to transform functional timekeeping into a form of self-expression. From the rustic allure of reclaimed wood to the industrial charm of gears and metal, there is a DIY clock idea to suit every taste and interior style. By embracing the creative projects, you are not only enhancing your home with unique timepieces, but also infusing your living space with a touch of your own personality and creativity. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your materials, and embark on a DIY clockmaking journey that will undoubtedly elevate your home's aesthetic appeal. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.